to get us aligned on what we're talking about, what is Salesforce Field Services? So it's a managed package. This is a package that you go and install right into an existing org. Usually it is added to Service Cloud, but it doesn't have to be part of Service Cloud. It makes more sense to complete a Service Cloud operation. So it's a managed package where you go and install it. It is developed and sold by Salesforce. I mean, you don't go to the App Exchange, you go to a dedicated link to install it. It includes a whole bunch of Apex classes, triggers, Visual Force pages, custom objects, action flows, UI. It really encapsulates a lot of everything that Salesforce has to offer. And it's all targeted around managing field service operations. It includes a designated mobile app, not the Salesforce app, but a designated field service app, where the mobile users, the technicians, the resources can go download from the App Store, from Google Play, and log in and use it. And it's specified for field services. It includes scheduling optimization engines. Some of the force, the CPU of the execution is done on the device. It's on the machine itself, the transit, and some of the optimization, the more heavy calculation, the heavier algorithms are run on dedicated servers that reside at Salesforce. And what it does, it optimizes routes to get the best candidates for the job. And clients need to buy specific licenses to use this package. And after you install everything, just so you have access to those pages and those features, clients need to go and buy specific field service licenses to use the tool. Key features of Salesforce Field Services, why people actually buy it, what they get from it, what companies try to achieve by using it. They can manage mobile workforce. There are a whole lot of objects and UI that is solely based on how to manage the mobile workforce. For example, the technicians, are they subcontractors? What are the operating hours that they use? What territories they cover, etc. They have specific actions and tools to schedule, assign, and dispatch work to the resources. They create the work based on, they have the ability to create maintenance plans, which is basically creating automatically generating cadences of visiting to maintain specific assets, etc. Like I mentioned, that mobile app that we have, and it also fully supported offline. This is one of the important features that they have, because a lot of the technicians don't have necessarily have data connectivity when they execute the work. Either they are off-site somewhere where they don't have connectivity, or maybe they are just in the basement of a garage or something where they don't have any data or Wi-Fi. So they can execute everything offline as well. The information is kept on the mobile app itself. Once they regain connectivity, it is synchronized with Salesforce, with the platform, and all the data is uploaded into the system. They have a dedicated dispatcher console for managing the field operations, and I'll show you that in the demo. Route optimization, like I mentioned, when I say route optimization, it's not necessarily just improve, get shorter routes around a specific area. The route optimization also takes into consideration the skills of the technician, where they are now, where they're going to be by the end of the day, their home base, their priority, are they the preferred technician for a specific customer or not, etc. And a whole lot more of stuff that we have on the app itself. I'll take a quick pause while I reshare a different tab here. If you have any questions.
Yeah, nothing in chat now, but please do feel free to post in there. And if your questions kind of center around, okay, great, how do I earn this certification? How do I start a career as a field service expert in the ecosystem? We're definitely going to dive into that with Amit as we get further into the session. And we'll talk about how popular the product is as well. So as you know, certain products rise in popularity as companies reach out and ask for those. Field service is definitely one of those. And so there's a bright future ahead for folks that spend the time to earn this certification.